Okay, so here we need to explain how to find the area of the region that is bounded by a given curve and a straight line. So suppose one question is given, that is find the area of the region, find the area of the region that is bounded by the curve, y equals to x square, and the line y equals to 4. Okay, so here the graph of y equals to x square will be a parabola which is concave upwards. So the parabola would be somewhat like this, and this is the y-axis. So it will be symmetric about the y-axis, and its vertex will be the origin. Its vertex will be at the origin, and it should be symmetric about the x-axis, about the y-axis. So y equals to x square. So the y-axis is the axis of the parabola. Axis of the parabola is the y-axis, and the straight line y equals to 4 is a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis, and it should intersect the y-axis at the point 0, 4. Okay, so now we need to find the area of this region, which is bounded by this straight line and this curve, which is the parabola. Okay, so here we can see that we need to find the points at which the parabola will intersect the straight line y equals to 4. So now, so if we put y equals to 4 here, then we will get x square equal to 4. Then x will be equal to plus minus 2. So it means that it will intersect at minus 2 comma 4. So this straight line is x equal to minus 2, and this straight line is x equal to 2. It means it will intersect at 2 comma 4 also. So now we can see that this parabola is symmetric about the y-axis. So if we can find the area of this region, which is in the first quadrant, then that into 2 if we do, means twice of that, then we'll get the required area of the shaded part. So therefore, the required area of the region, that will be equal to 2a units, where a is equal to the area of the region which is in the first quadrant, means it is equal to um, integral, which is 4. So from this curve, which is from this straight line y equal to 4, we need to subtract the area the area of this region. So it is 4 minus, since the straight line is above the curve, so 4 minus x square we have to do into dx, and x will go from 0 to 2 here. Or we can do we can integrate along the x-axis. So if we integrate along the x-axis, then we will do integral x dy. So from here, if we solve, then x will be equal to plus minus root y. So that part which is in the first quadrant, it will have the equation x equal to root y, and which is on the negative side of x-axis, that will have the equation x equal to minus root y. So this integral a, that will go from 0 to 4, y is going from 0 to 4. So this we can write it as uh, 0 to 4 root y dy. This way also you can solve, or this way also we can solve. So therefore, if we solve in so here actually we are integrating along the y-axis. So if the rule is that if we integrate along the y-axis, then the answer will be integral x dy, and if we integrate along the x-axis, then the integral should be integral y dx. Okay. So then therefore a will be equal to integral root y, that is y power half plus 1 by half plus 1, and it will go from 0 to 4. So that will be equal to, this is 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2, so that it is 2 by 3 into y power 3 by 2, and that will go from 0 to 4. So this will be 2 by 3 into, this will be 4 power 3 by 2 minus, this is 0 power 3 by 2. So this will be equal to 2 by 3, and then square root of 4, that is 2. So 2 cube, that is 8. So that is 16 by 3 square units. And the area of the shaded region, that is 2a square units. So the required area which is bounded by the curve, that will be equal to 2 into 16 by 3, which is 32 by 3 square units. So this is the answer for this. And in the same way, we can do one more example. That is, suppose if it is asked to find the area, find the area of the region, find the area of the region in the first quadrant, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by, which is enclosed by the x-axis, is enclosed by the x-axis, the line y-axis, the line y equal to x, and the circle, x square plus y square equal to 32. So here, suppose this is the circle, x square plus y square equal to 32. So its radius is 4 4 is 16. So 4 root 2, it is 4 root 2 units. So suppose this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So its center will be, center is the origin, center is 0 comma 0 only, and radius is 4 root 2. So it will intersect the x-axis at the point 4 root 2 comma 0 and at minus 4 root 2 comma 0. And the at y, it will intersect the y-axis at the point 0 comma 4 root 2 and at 0 comma minus 4 root 2. So the circle, this is symmetric about both the axes. So now the line y equal to x will be this one, whose slope is 1. So it will make 45 degree with the x-axis. So this is the line y equal to x. So here we need to find the area of the region of the first, in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, the line, this, and the circle. So it means we need to find the area of this region, this part we need to find. Okay, so here we can see, suppose we take this point is O, this point is A, this point is B. And let's say if we take one, if we draw one perpendicular from the point B on the x-axis, this is point M, suppose. Then this part is a triangular part, but this part is a circular part. So for this, we have to integrate separately, and for this, we have to integrate separately. So area of the region, area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of the triangle, area of the triangular part OBM, plus the area of the region, BMAB. BMAB. It means this circular here, it has one circular part and two straight lines. This is the region BMAB. So this area also we need to find, and the area of that triangular part, which is BMO, that also we need to find. So we need to add these two regions. So we need to find the first we need to find the coordinates of the point B where this straight line y equal to x will intersect the circle. So for that we need to solve this straight line with the equation of the circle. So if we put y equal to x here, then we will get 2x square, that is equal to 32. So then x square will be equal to 16. Then x will be equal to 4. X will be equal to 4. So y should be also 4. So the coordinates of the point B is 4, 4. So this straight line which is parallel to the y-axis and which passes through the point B, this straight line is x equal to 4. And the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, obviously. And the straight line which passes through the point A and which is parallel to the y-axis, that is x equal to 4 root 2. So the area of the triangle OBM, that will be equal to integral. So here y is x, so I can write integral x dx. It will go from 0 to 4 plus the area of the region BMAB, that will be equal to, so if we solve this circle, then we will get y square equal to 32 minus x square. So then y will be equal to plus or minus root over 32 minus x square. So it means that the area of the equation of the region of the circle which is above the x-axis, for that branch which is above the x-axis, its equation will be y equal to root over 32 minus x square. And for that region of the circle which is below the x-axis, that will have the equation y equal to minus root over 32 minus x square. Okay, so this will be equal to square plus square root of 32 minus x square dx, and see here x is going from 4 to 4 root 2 in for the circular part. So we should integrate it from 4 to 4 root 2. So this will be equal to so this will be equal to integral x dx. So this will be integral x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 0 to 4 plus, we know that integral a square minus x square is x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. So this will be also that. So we will write it as plus x by 2 square root of 32 minus x square plus a square. A square is here 32. So this will be also 32. This will be 32 by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Here a is 4 root 2 and it is going from 4 to 4 root 2. So therefore this will be equal to 4 square. So this is 16 by 2 minus 0 square by 2 plus, so here if we put 4 root 2 here, then x square will be 32. So this will become 0. Then plus this will be 32 by 2 to sine inverse 4 root 2 by 4 root 2. So that is 1. Then minus, we will do 4 we have to put. So this will be 4 by 2 into 32 minus 16. Then plus this will be 32 by 2 into sine inverse 4 by 4 root 2. So this will be equal to 16 by 2, that is 8. Then plus this is 16. So this will be 16 into sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2. Then minus this is 2 into root 16, that is 4. Then minus this is 16 into 4. So sine inverse 1 by root 2. So that is pi by 4. So this will be equal to 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. So this is 8 plus 8 pi minus 8 minus 4 pi. So 8 and 8 will cancel. So the answer is 4 pi square units. So this is the answer for the required shaded for the area of the required shaded region. Thank you.